moving on to episode number 8 of this mini-series of how you can get into accounting and finance. Now, I want to focus on my actual YouTube channel today, because for those of you that are not familiar with it, or you're not familiar with the different levels in accounting and finance, or how my sort of channel is structured to help you, I'm just going to explain that in this video. So, if you're somebody who's currently studying ICB, AAT, ATT, a diploma of some kind in accounting and finance, and you're starting from the very bottom, so you know, your very first year of studying that diploma, you want to start looking at level 2. So I have a level 2 playlist on the YouTube channel that you can use, and on there it goes into all sorts of things like payroll entries, journals, dead click, debits, credits, all the foundational sort of knowledge that you need to know when you are studying accounting and finance. Now, if you are somebody who is in the second year, then I would have a look at the level 3 playlist. So there's quite a few videos on the level 3 playlist, and you'll see there that it's the likes of costing, management accounting, that sort of thing, as well as the double entry bookkeeping that you need to know. Now, if you're in your final level of a diploma or similar, then I would look at the level 4 playlist, because that's where we start going into further management accounting, decision, control, reporting, financial statements, consolidations, etc. And we start looking at the likes of UK GAAP and IFRS in a little bit more detail, so accounting standards. I hope that helps a little bit. There's also a couple of other playlists on there that you can have a look at, such as, again, this playlist, how you can get into accounting and finance, how to start your career, etc. That might help you too. As always, consider subscribing, like the video, like the playlist, let me know what you think. If you think there's something else that I need to cover, then let me know, I can do so. And otherwise, yeah, catch you in the next video.